So a quick summary to our new chart on the SAU USD. This is very important for us to understand. It's a W structure, change in direction from bearish to bullish. From the W structure, price broke the neck line. It's a retest. Price breaking the retest and retest. And price is attempting to do something. And when we look at what price has done from this level after retesting, price returns to this level. And price insisting on this level. You can see the neckline here, the green line running. If buyers decide to take sell, a lot of people who have placed sell bets will be there. This goes to one case scenario I want to share. So trading gold, it's very, very volatile. And it will be incorrect for you to just go long or go short necessarily without paying certain consideration. And another thing again we want to also do is we look at the market from the roof. Where did the selling structure start? When we see a buy, where did the buying structure start? These are the first questions we must ask. So we look at here, the selling structure started from here after price updated a new high 2,788 to 2,790 and create a double top structure. And we can see it. Look at the double top structure. This is the neckline reject. Then price broke the neckline and retested and subsequently we had lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and price came to this level. Now what happened again when price was swinged, price came down to respect this descending trend line and at this level we had another drop. And when price came a little bit closer, it respected the structure. Upon breaking the structure, it becomes a demand form for another buy. And price returns again, respected it for another buy. Before forming this head and shoulder structure pattern that we have here is head and shoulder. It's not a classic one, but however, we look at it as head and shoulder. You can see and price and drop again and return again to the neckline and then drop again. And I want price maybe finally to return again in the zone of 2,661 before making its way to this level where we expect a raindrop, where we expect a raindrop. So this is what we see. We have two case scenarios. So market will do one. So that is why it's important to see doing one. Then you go to what the market is doing. So we have looked at it to the downside. We also look at it to the upside. We look at the market to the upside. Look at what price has done. When price returns to this buying, green buying floor. Look at what it has done. It was a massive buy. And price is here and it's insisting on buy instead of dropping. Buyers have held this line active. They have refused. Look at what they have done. Look at what they have done here. Look at the mess. Look at what they have done. So before you run into trade and you go short or long necessarily, you have to look at what market has done in order to do this. If you look at the roof here, you see that every time price returns to this level, it's a massive sell-off. And after break of structure, price consolidated on 4 points. The breakout structure, if you look critically here, you will find a support structure. The breakout of the support structure, price came here to retest it. So these are areas that price has insisted on sell, and every time price comes here, it sends price tanking. So when we also look at it, we try to connect the roof and the previous sell, you see that larger sell, you can see. So what do we have here? Look at the rejection week, support structure, break of the support structure, retest 1, retest 2, and retest 3. So if as buyers are insisting on not going down, let's see what they do at 266 trade, which is the maximum sell limit. If you get to 266 trade and it fails to hold, then price will want to return and invalidate sales analysis where buyers will take over this market personally and control it, stay to a new high. On a flip side, I see them, if they continue to insist and they manage to return back to this angle, if they return here, it's a buy. If they return here and you want to create a light structure, then on the scale, they will now go up, where we see price break the previous high. So this is what we see. This is what we see. And let's keep this in mind that price might also return to this level and also return to this level. So this is what we have. Switch to a line chart. We find this structure as an active resistance structure. Resistance structure 1, resistance structure 2, resistance structure 3, price resistance structure 4, and dip itself into the green zone. Let's change the color to red since it's all about danger, sell off, where we look out for potential falling markets. So if price gets into this place, it's going to go fall. And if we break out from the ascending green line, which has actively held price, break out from here, and we will ultimately retest and come down into this area. So these are the two things we expect the market to do. So we'll be patient and allow it to start doing one. When it does one, this is the final sell confirmation, the price needs to break out from here. The final buy confirmation will be price trading above this level, price trading above the blue level. The moment price you see above this line, it will be hoping to create a similar structure and what we had here, and we will breaks it and go up. So this is SAUSD from structural perspective. It's always played out. And when we look at price, what price has done here, for you to see why we are certain that if we are falling, if price is falling, this is where it will come. Because of the price action we have here, the double top structure, this is the neckline, breakout of the neckline, price retested the neckline here, retested again. And when price came retested, breakout of the resistance structure, price used the resistance structure broken to be a support floor breakout, and we expect price to come down here again. So if we will be attempting sell, we need to see price push back into this level and then begin to trace its way down. And if price moves into that level, it will be in the zone of 2658, 55, like I earlier said. So it is contested. It will not go down without a fight. This is what you must bear in mind. It cannot go down without a fight. So let's look at it at 2658 into 2655 and even into 50. The battle begins from there. So let's see if price push to that level. A push into that level will give us and bring us closer to what we want. So let's see, we clone the structure, and as we clone the structure, this is where price has stopped. And you see what price have done here. We have here support structure. We have here support structure, break of a support structure, and price mess with it. When price return, respected a broken resistance structure, respected it again, respected it again. So price likely, if price is falling, we expect SAUSD to come to this level at 55 level, where we see a buy opportunity. So this is what we have, and if you look at it, we have a strong area of consolidation here, and I believe that price may want to pierce it. So we'll be looking at price at a 555 level into 558 level. But for me, I'm very optimistic that whatever breaks price away from this ascending green line that have held price, that is responsible for this massive buying after price breakout from the W structure. This is the bias, and the price is there again, attempting to do exactly what price have done here. So if they cannot do it, then they have to go down in search of liquidity. If they go down, remember, if price goes down, you must also see that price, when price returned here, it was a buy foundation. When price returned to this line, price consolidated and moved. So if price return here, we will expect that this is also a buying floor. This is also an active buying floor. When price return here, it bought, return here, bought, return again, bought. So this is what we want to see for SAUSD on the